So here's a porch we built. We put these long posts in, these guys right here, all the way up both sides, and built the porch around it. Brand new porch with a set of stairs coming down. See? I think it came out really nice. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a nice looking deck. Porch. Yeah. Backyard side porch for you. Tried to retain the log house style with the large posts that go to the roof. We had to cut that post in half to make two posts. We split it down the middle. So there you have it, guys. If you need a new porch installed, give us a call, 503-547-4467. That's my cell. Or you can reach the business number at 503-877-1198. Another job well done by Preferred Building Contractors. Have a great day. Bye.